So what are we doing today? We are on my 1997 Nissan D21 pickup truck. Appears that it's got a valve bad. No, doesn't appear. It does have a valve bad. Number 3 forward intake valve. Not sure exactly what happened, but it looks like it's trying to suck the valve up into the head, which will eventually pop the head of it. It could pop the head of it off. So, didn't want to do it, and I've been putting it off for quite a while. Cylinder head's got to come off. So, might as well get into it. Alright, so that was about 30 minutes of actual footage in that time lapse. And in that time, I've already had started to undo some all ancillary stuff on the top of the engine that's got to come off. Things that are attached to the head. And in that time, while I was beginning to unhook some stuff, I noticed that the coolant, there wasn't any in the tank. So I got to looking. And what I found the water pump was leaking too. One more repair we got to do. Got it all apart. It's going to be right there in your teeth. You might as well fix it. So let's get back after it. That'll do it. Well, as you can see, much later in the day now, much pain and anxiety has gone into trying to remove a 24-year-old emissions tube that is seized. It's not a real good way to get to it. So, what we've decided to do is, instead of trying to remove the exhaust manifold and the intake manifold from the head in the chassis, we're going to remove it as an assembly and disassemble it in the shop. Because I'm going to end up destroying or mangling either that emissions tube or some other component on the vehicle trying to get it apart. So, this is a to be continued. Sometimes that happens. But we are working really hard to get this old truck back up and going as a daily driver, due to the fact that my son will be moving out and he's taking his truck with him. So there won't be a truck on site, and as you all know, especially here in the South, everybody needs a truck. So, well, while we're getting our stuff together and getting this thing figured out, why don't y'all go watch another one of the videos that are on my channel right now.